Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how can we fix the error at yours is not showing on our Instagram account. First of all, I would like to show that how can we add yours on our story. Like here I tap here and take a picture of my keyboard like this, and you can see that I tap on the stickers here and just search here add yours like this, and you will find here the first option add yours. I just click on it and I can write anything here to create my own sticker. Like I am writing here the keyboard of my laptop and then click on the done, and yes, it has been created my own sticker which is a feature of Instagram. But if you don't have such type of the option in your Instagram, there are a lot of the reasons for this. The first main thing is that you have to update your Instagram application. So just go on App Store or Play Store that you usually use in your Android phone and just search here the Instagram, and then here will be the option of update. Just update the Instagram and then open it. This problem can be solved about 80 to 90% by this method, but if this method does not work, it means that you have a weak connection of internet or the Wi-Fi that you usually use in your Android phone. Make sure that you have a good connection of internet or Wi-Fi. If it does not work, then you have to uninstall your Instagram app and then install another one in the beta version. I hope this will be helpful for you. That's all for today video. I hope you like this video. Leave a like for this video, and if you have any question, you can leave a comment here, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information.